meat work. I mean, usually what he does is he puts the meat on and then he sleeps on the couch. Oops. He usually puts it on and then sleeps on the couch next to the door. While it does its like initial stuff. Fish is less than an hour. I don't know, we're talking about doing like a 12-hour stream. Content for the 12-hour stream. We're gonna do a long boy. We're gonna need a lot of things to do. A long boy. I like these measuring cups, but they're also kind of annoying. Yeah, brisket. That's the one. All right, there's my sauce. Sauce is ready. Okay, I really have to pee, so I'll be right back. Take this opportunity to go follow my social media. I am going out of town this weekend, like long weekend. So make sure you follow my social media because I won't be live on Twitch. I will be posting on my other social medias. So I'll be right back. I just gotta go potty.